Hi everyone, my name's Richard. I'm the creator of a brand new must-have kitchen utensil that makes it easy, no matter how good a cook you are, to poach eggs. It's called the poaching spoon. The idea for the poaching spoon was born out of frustration. I was looking online for a utensil to make poaching eggs easy, and I was unimpressed with what I found. This has been a passion project for over 2 years and has involved a lot of design, prototyping and 3D printing to finally come up with a product that really works. Specially designed slits in the spoon remove thin egg white, which normally separates during the cooking process, causing a mess. Pour the egg through the integrated spout, helping keep a nice poached egg shape and hand safely above the hot water. Finally, the spoon is used to strain and serve. So what started out as my own passion project has organically grown into something more, with many friends and family asking if they could have a poaching spoon. So I decided to research manufacturer locally here in Connecticut in the USA, and I found a partner and are now looking for your pledges and support to raise funds for the precision mold that's required to kickstart production. So please tell a friend, let other people know, and thank you for your help.